take it. Hey guys, this is day 2 at Rush Offroad. So, yesterday, if you go into video day number 1, you would see the split. That was pretty wonderful. We broke the radiator, a bunch of stuff happened. But we got some JB Weld and we put everything back together. Not we, the guys did. And we put everything together and now it's actually running okay. I mean, she's not happy, but it'll do. And now we're about to go ride. We're about to go ride. So we got everyone's machine. Say Buck over there. Got Olivia over here. Black Betty. Everybody's trailer. And we're gonna see how today goes. Hopefully it's better than day 1. But I have high hopes for today. And I think everybody else does too. But, you know, we'll see. Peace out.
Woo. Little slick rock. Roar, spitting. Woo! That was some mud.
Yeah. Turned away when he was shooting me, so I missed it with the GoPro.
Holy moly.
Yeah, I'm not making it up that.
Brian's coming up in 30-inch carnivores. Not a bunch of ground clearance in the old Yamaha. Think her let her eat. Let her eat. Woo! Already smacking. She's already bottoming out. And that's not even rolling. Yeah, runner in one. Get up there. The old shifter stole. Get her.
It's pretty greasy.
Slicker than a pickle. Oh, that's, I was just about to say the same thing. I mean, when you get here that far away, that's thick. He wants to try to get on top, though. I think it's going to get thrown. Oh yeah, he's a real good driver. Can you get your driver's side in that far rut and just drive it up this way? You're not gonna go over.
Well, I was trying to get here and I can't.
I know. It's just going like this. We had a ton of hard rains last night that came in. It's got this stuff all soupy. Woo!
But I'm screwed when I hit that one. Yeah. That's not gonna make it. Alright.
It looks like it's gonna be a no-go on this. We'll run our machine, let's give ours a shot up and see if it goes. So far, I think we probably got about, I don't know, maybe 15 miles. And since we fixed the radiator, temperature's doing all right. It's going up to 194, 195 is the highest that we've seen it so far. So that's good. Seems to be running all right. Plugged it up with the JB Weld, it's working. Nope, he's making one more run. Hold her there, pull her up.
Look, you can't do that. Oh my God. Seriously, you do not want to show her your crack right now.
You realize she's a minor child.
Listen, I told her to stay in her car. She wanted to see this. She
Kennedy,
begged for it.
Listen,
Kennedy, this is why crack kills.
yeah. don't want to see that one, huh?
Look, this is how soupy it is. Look at this tree. Going up this tree. That's 20 feet up in the tree.
Well, you know what, honey? Since you're down there, he may need to hand something off to you.
Yeah, I just don't know which way to go.
Go that same way he went.
I'd probably go that way, actually. Probably easier.
You gonna lock it?
I think so. Pulling. It's moving.
Yeah, it's unlocked.
Brand new, never been used.
About to.
Wait, hit winch out. Or
He did.
To that tree right there.
Well, no, he's got it unhooked and take it right up to that tree.
And just wrap it right around.
this one?
Yeah.
You don't like that one.
No.
No?
Go straight out. See if it'll reach to that other one.
Well, we can try it, but I think it's gonna pull me up that hill. But we'll try. We can go
It'll hold you down in there. That's too far. You don't have that much line.
Wrap it.
put it around.
We'll get it at least.
We'll get it up there and then we'll do her again.
And then, or
Hook her, bring her down, babe. Bring her down towards the bottom.
toe strap and wrap that around.
I think it'd
I
be
made
fine
it up the
here.
first.
Turn it this way.
Get up there. We'll just finish
Yeah.
the engine.
Is that poison
I guess
ivy?
we can't go around.
No.
We're supposed to ride.
What is?
Stay away.
Leave
Oh, it took a minute. I
three.
had to get up that.
Leave it be. There it is. Like stay away. Leave the
Stay away.
Thank you for my hat.
T-Bear. Kennedy wants you to run her machine up. Or you drive ours and I'll drive hers.
Yeah.
Hey, hold on.
What do you mean no?
Clarence will do it.
Clarence now has a tow rope to pull himself up.
I was gonna say.
Your fronts aren't even touching.
What's that?
Your fronts are not even touching.
No.
That tire's not even spinning.
Someone got flung. Another soldier down.
Try and go around.
Let me see your eyeball.
You're almost there now.
Another soldier down.
We are definitely in some
Oh wow.
old people situations here.
You okay?
Where's she dude?
You all right?
Yeah, I'm alright. He's got a bloody eye. Dude, did you poop? Is this ours? So I know I said I had high hopes for day 2, but I don't know how it's looking so far.
You guys watch the point
They were on top of your head.
Guess what? I have eye drops
That's what I thought I
in
was
the
going
door
for.
of my side-by-side.
What'd you say?
Is there anyone running this circus or are we just talking?
We're just talking, but just stay where you are. I'll get you.
I think your strap's too long. What she said. What about using it that way?
She just took off like a Sasquatch, and next thing
This
you know,
goes all the way down to there.
apparently.
She does, but she made her own.
How's your eyeball?
You got a boogie in it.
Oh, more than that.
All right. These are some pretty big ruts. Easy. What the hell?
We got no ground clearance.
Oh well. Is what it is.
Kennedy coming through. She took the only route that we didn't take. We got stuck.
I wanna go there.
Here?
Yeah, I wanna go this way up.
No, because you could fall down in there. We don't know how deep that is. right here.
We come in the wrong direction. Okay. Come back here right where we're at.
Back up into that nasty mud. Turn the wheel. Well, that was nothing.
That's what I was saying. I could do it.
Good job.
That's the way I came down.
You walked down that way.
I know.
No? You can turn it off.
You don't want to go.
Huh?
Back to the original.
Here. I'm gonna do this.
Bye. Everybody's down there. Okay, just to let you know. I don't know how these videos are gonna go together, but this is day 2 again. We're on the other side of the wall of the flip, so it's like farther down left. Wait, no, farther down right actually. But now my dad is going to go up this one. Can't really see it, but it's like a less steep version. Less steep version of the one that we did where we flipped. So hopefully we should be good, but the cooling is leaking again. Even though we did some JB Weld, you know, we'll figure it out. But here they go. All right, here he goes. Oh yeah, Terry has no door either. So hopefully everything is all right. Piece of cake. Bye. Pretty awesome. Okay, well, I guess he's just going without telling me now. True. Wait for me to get up. Okay, well, here he goes, I guess. Oh, I almost slipped. Okay, here we go, another one. I'm gonna fall. Okay. Time to walk down again. Look at Liv over there. You probably can't even see her. Okay, I'm slipping. Slipping and sliding. Ooh. Oh my god.